Exploring the delights of Neapolitan pizza. A journey in taste. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to embark on a delicious journey to understand Neapolitan pizza. This isn't just any pizza. It's a culinary masterpiece with a rich history and specific characteristics that make it unique. So, let's dive in and explore what makes Neapolitan pizza so special. Neapolitan pizza, or pizza napolitana, originates from Naples, Italy. It's not just a style of pizza, but an art form recognized by the European Union as a traditional specialty guaranteed dish. This means it has a specific method of preparation and ingredients that must be followed to be considered authentic. The key features of Neapolitan pizza include its thin base, puffy crust, known as the cornicione, and simple, fresh toppings. The ingredients of Neapolitan pizza are what set it apart. Only San Marzano tomatoes, grown in the volcanic soil of Mount Vesuvius, and mozzarella di bufala, a cheese made from the milk of water buffaloes raised in certain regions of Italy, are used. The dough is made from type 00 flour, water, salt, and yeast, and is left to rise for up to 24 hours. This simplicity highlights the quality and flavors of the ingredients. Cooking is an essential part of what makes a pizza authentically Neapolitan. The pizza is cooked in a wood-fired oven at a temperature of about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 485 degrees Celsius, for just 60 to 90 seconds. This quick cooking time creates the signature charred spots on the crust and a perfect balance of crispy and chewy textures. When trying Neapolitan pizza, look for key characteristics: a soft, thin center with a puffy, charred crust. The toppings should be balanced and not overloaded, allowing the flavors of the tomato, cheese, and basil to shine through. An authentic Neapolitan pizza is usually small, about 10 to 12 inches in diameter, making it perfect for one person. I hope this exploration of Neapolitan pizza has made your mouth water and sparked your interest in this exquisite dish. Remember, Neapolitan pizza isn't just food. It's a reflection of history, culture, and the art of simple, high-quality ingredients coming together to create something extraordinary. Buon appetito and see you in the next video.